Today I want to do a quick little demo of this 1949 Gibson BR9 amplifier. It's got a couple of replaced parts. It has a new power cord on it, since the old one had two prongs, and it has some new tubes in it, some new 6v6s and new 5y3 rectifier, and it still has the original I guess octal preamp tube. And I had to replace a couple capacitors in the power supply that were dried up. The old can capacitor that was in there was bad. And also it had some crackles and pops in it, and the volume was low, and they traced that back to a defective phase inverter transformer. I guess the transformer is probably close to 67 years old and got a little bit tired from being that old and being installed in the amplifier for that long. So I replaced it with a new Mercury Magnetics GAPI phase inverter transformer, and now the amplifier is working great. It's maybe close to 10 watts push-pull, 6v6s in triode mode, and this has the original field coil speaker installed. The output transformer is actually mounted on the speaker itself, which is cool, and then it's got the field coil there that's actually part of the power supply. So it's a very unique design, American design from 1949, and I'll let you hear what it sounds like here on its own and then with some pedals, and you can judge what you think for yourself. Now let's give it a little more overdrive there. Now let's do some volume swells with some clean tone.